Hey, fifth graders. Today we're going to talk about how to take guided notes using your social studies book. So think of this kind of as a how-to tutorial and follow along. Feel free to pause, rewind, or watch it again if you get confused or if you just need to see it again to refresh your memory. Okay, let's go on to the next slide and get started. Oh, here are some tools to help you. These are valuable for using your social studies book to help with guided notes. The first one is the index, which is over here. And what the index does, it's a list of a lot of different words that are in the book and the pages where you can find those words. Now, most of the words are based off of certain topics. Like this is the A section, so a lot of A letter or words that begin with the letter A. And let's say you wanted to find some more information on the American Revolution. Well, here you would find a bunch of topics and pages that discuss the American Revolution. So you can look through there to find more information or uh, dig deeper into parts of the American Revolution. And it goes from A to Z. So all the topics in the book will have probably words that are associated there. You can look them up and find the pages that go with it. The index is located on page R48 in the back of your book. The other one is the glossary. Now, the glossary is like a mini dictionary, and you can find definitions of words that are specific to this book. But it is just basically like a dictionary, alphabetical, with definitions of words. It won't have all the words that a dictionary has, but it will have most of the words in the book that you would need to know. And that is on page, oops, that is on page R34. So R34 is where you'll find the beginning of the dictionary. Okay, those are valuable tools to help with any words that you don't know. Okay, let's go to the next slide. It's always a good idea to read all the pages assigned for social studies. Um, Usually they make it pretty interesting, and the pages aren't that long because they have pictures in them. So it's not like top to bottom words. So I would suggest reading all the pages that you're assigned to help gain a better understanding of what it is we're shooting for as far as a learning goal. And what you're going to see here is, I want to circle it now, is like a little snippet of what a question will look like in Schoology for your guided notes. And these are guided notes that you could print out once you're done and glue them in your journal or just keep them in a folder. Or you could copy them if you like to have a nice, neat journal. You can copy these by date and topic into your journal, handwritten, if that's what you want to do. So let's take a look at this one. It says Christopher Columbus wanted to find a blank by sailing west across the Atlantic Ocean. And what you'll notice is here, this 98, that is the page where you'll find this answer. So once you've read all the assigned pages, it's pretty easy to go back and follow these notes and find out exactly what Christopher Columbus wanted to do. And I'll get the highlighter here. And as I'm reading the page, I can find the answer. Here it is right here. Christopher Columbus wanted to find a new route to Asia. So that's what I would fill in the blank. Christopher Columbus wanted to find a new route to Asia by sailing west across the Atlantic Ocean. Okay, so as you see those numbers on the side of the questions, that's where that'll help you guide you. It'll help guide you towards the answers. Next slide, please. So I know we talked about glossaries in the previous slide and how it's like a mini dictionary. So that's always available to look up unknown words or define words. Like you see here, I'll put a box around it. This would be a question in Schoology that's asking you to define conquistador or conquistador. And just like the question that we had previously, it also has a page number. So you can see that I put a screenshot of page 100 in here as well. So sometimes you can use a dictionary to find and define a word, and sometimes you can use those good old context clues from your reading skills to find it. And they do a good job of highlighting these words in the text. So here's the word conquistador. And if you remember your context clues, you should be reading probably the entire paragraph that the word is in, but especially the sentence before and after the word to see if you can find any clues, right, from context of what the word means. So I'll highlight this sentence and we'll read it together. In the early 1500s, a group of Spanish soldiers, later called conquistadors or conquerors, arrived. Oh, so a conquistador is a group of Spanish soldiers or possibly conquerors. So there you go. Great job, guys. Thanks for watching, and feel free to look at this video again if you need more help on using these tools. Thank you, and bye-bye.